and this just in, Hanna, now a Category 1 hurricane. Kelly, hard to believe.
Yeah, pressure's been dropping, and hurricane hunters and Doppler radar data is indicating that we now have our first hurricane of the season in the Atlantic basin. Here's a look at the way it plays out on our future radar. Note the rain bands extending to the north, as far north as Houston.
So Hanna turned into a hurricane overnight. And again, it's not hitting us, but we're getting the spin-off storms and rain. So oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I didn't go to bed till like 2 in the morning. It's 8:30. What's wrong with me? Oh my gosh. Okay, I just realized it's already been pouring. I didn't even know. I like your shirt.
The shirt on I guess this shirt.
You didn't want to sleep in a little? Just gonna watch the show. Oh, Mama, sleep a little bit more. Ooh.
The bianchi.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the team be a bit. Never in a big deal.
How old are you?
3 years old.
Not yet. You're still 2, but you're almost 3.
I'm 2.
That's right. Good job. That's right. I love you, little snuggly girl.
Mama.
Baby.
Mommy.
When you were a baby, you used to sleep with Mommy in here. All the time, every night.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just showed what we have coming, which is what, Cal? Just non-stop thunderstorms. And so they were saying that a lot of them could produce tornadoes because of the rotation. So we are going to, I've said this a million times if you're new to the vlog or just watching this video, our trampoline was damaged in a storm earlier this summer. We just got the replacement parts in yesterday and we can't even put it together because, so anyway, we have got to remove some of this stuff and we think we're gonna try to flip the trampoline over. You can stake it into the ground, but you just worry that that's not enough. So wet out here. Yeah, you're the one who said this are cool. Sure? One more little bite? Strawberries.
Well, so after Camp Green Lake, so all the trees died and the lake disappeared. And so she went back and found a cabin.
Who found a cabin?
Kate Barlow.
Oh, the owner?
That character, yeah.
Yeah.
And then a redheaded girl and Trout Walker burst in, like, demanding something. And I haven't read the rest of it yet.
Cool. Well, enjoy. It's here. It's windy, isn't it, Kyle?
Huh?
It's windy. It's super windy, y'all. Did you hear it, Kyle?
Reload.
Alright, Chris, your turn. 2 card strike.
Okay.
Pretty much all you got's the words.
I should try to get another one of these. Also get the same color. Or I could get another 5 for this guy.
Okay. Hey
Discard 1 card.
guys, there's a wizard on the floor.
Oh, Harry.
No, that's Harry Potter. That's elderly Harry Potter.
Elderly Harry
It's
Potter.
elderly Harry Potter. Not just any Harry Potter.
Alright, put him back in the discard pile.
He's got quarantine hair, Kyle.
Reload.
I wanted this dude.
Put him down. It's your
I
turn.
wanted him.
It's your turn.
I just decided to start calling him Harry Potter, elderly Harry Potter.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna use and Zelda. A screen.
What is this game called, Kyle?
Dragonwood.
Dragonlords. We have more bands of weather coming through from Hurricane Hanna. Luckily, we are not getting even close to the worst of it. So hopefully everybody's hanging in there down where it's like hitting really hard down south. Also, just a second ago, there was a headline. They were like, Houston getting pounded by Hurricane Hanna rain or whatever. And I was like, way to be dramatic. But we are getting some heavy rain. So I'm gonna do my makeup because we are about to do one of our lives that we do on Saturday. So we go live with people from all over the world so we can all like share experiences like through all of this COVID-19 brouhaha, all of this mess that is going on right now. It's just a really nice way to share the experience with people who have like different perspectives and different lives and different things going on. It's fascinating. As one person was telling me, it's like, you know, you hear everything on the news, but it's kind of different when it comes straight from an actual person. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna freshen this up because that would probably be good. Still pouring. Not as heavy as earlier though. All right, so we just finished our live. I'm going outside just to sit outside for a minute. It's really it's a little humid, but like, man, our temperature it has dropped so much. I think it's only like 80 degrees. Normally it would be like 99 degrees right now, so this feels amazing. That's the one good thing the storm's done. So I think when you look that way, you can kind of see it like way off in that distance, but I think we have like this way looks not too bad. I think we're gonna get hit by a few more bands, but nothing crazy for us. I'm having like not really seeing a lot of like good information about how the people who got hit more direct are doing, but hopefully it wasn't too horrible. I saw some official in Houston was saying this is like for the state, this is like a dry run for you know, potentially higher level hurricanes coming, because this is when it kind of starts, August and stuff. For us, that's when things for us kind of get bigger, like August, September. We'll get, you know, You just have to be prepared. So all that work to turn the trampoline upside down. I think it would have been fine, but since it already been damaged once before, didn't want to take a chance. I just saw a flash of light that way. Really, it hasn't even been that much thunder and lightning. This morning there was a lot more. This afternoon, this evening, there hasn't really been much with the rain, just rain.
In my diaper.
And your panties, you mean?
And I
These are potty training chocolates. As you can see by the fact that it's pretty empty, she's doing really well. She had a little bit of an accident earlier, so it's okay. We all have accidents. You're doing great.
Yeah, Dad. Remember, Dad, you must keep your potty.
That's right. You must pee on the potty.
And don't pee in your diaper.
I don't know who she's talking to.
Will get an accident.
You will get an accident. That's right.
And you will get Kiki on the floor.
That's right, which is not good, huh? Your hair's a mess. Look at how light her hair is compared to the rest of us. All right, so do you guys hear this ruckus in Kyle's office? I don't know. Hey, Kyle. Kyle. Can you pause the music for copyright reasons? Pause the music.
It's like murder mystery.
Hold on, guys. Okay, now tell me. I just heard all this ruckus. What are you guys playing?
Murder Mystery 2.
Yes.
Secret room. Secret room. Yeah, secret room.
We're
Get
playing
the
a
secret
game
room.
where one person's a murderer, one person's a sheriff, and everyone else is innocent, and they have to hide and seek.
I made it.
It's kind of like a strange version of hide and seek.
I can't do that in time.
Hit emotes. Oh.
You can emote so you can hit dance.
Kind of fun, but
Y'all are hilarious. What's
it's
hilarious?
hilarious except like every round, like when
Oh, no,
somebody's
it's still
crying about
dancing.
something.
Oh no. We have disguises on.
Nobody seems to be able to figure out that
I
this
look
is just
like
a game
Fred.
and it's okay. And
What? I'm Ellen. Dad was Shaggy and I look like Daphne's mom. I have dark blue hair. I wasn't paying attention to what I was. Mine is dark blue clothes. And you'll show if you.
So is this a case? Oh, God bless you.
that's me.
You didn't even-
Someone's alive. Oh, sheriff is.
All right, we'll let you guys just keep on playing that. Okay, so they're having fun. They're playing a murder mystery game, like each of them in their own little device. Sounds like they're having a great time. Okay, so I'm gonna call it a night. It has been a day. I got up early with the weather, and we have just been like going ever since, just normal day stuff. We still can't get out a lot because of this dumb virus. So you know what though, when you have a house with 4 kids, it's chaotic enough. Anyway, I think the storm, our part of the storm, is wrapped up. I thought, except I checked the weather and apparently at around 6 in the morning, we're gonna have a bunch of thunderstorms. For tomorrow. So I don't know if they're spin-off storms related to this, to Hurricane Hanna, or if they're just like normal storms, you know what I mean? But either way, I was like, awesome, 6 in the morning, because those like wake up call storms are so annoying. So you can't sleep in because they like wake you up, or your weather alarm will go off and whatever. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you had a great day, and we'll talk to everyone next time.